The points A235, B013 and C457 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Find the exact area of that triangle. So here's a drawing of the triangle, and let's say A, B and C. We need to know which two lengths are the same so that we can see which is going to be the base and the height of the triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by working out the length AB. The distance formula just extends to 3D, so we get 2 take away 1 squared, 3 take away 1 squared, and for the z coordinates, 5 take away 3 squared, which is 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 2 squared, so we've got the square root of 9, which is 3. So I'm going to try AC next. So that's going to be 2 take away 1 squared, 3 take away 5 squared, 5 take away 7 squared, which is the square root of 1 squared plus negative 2 squared plus negative 2 squared, which of course is root 9, and that's 3. So we know that these two sides are the same length. So we're going to need the length of BC because that's going to be the base of the triangle when we work out the area. So we have 1 take away 1, 1 take away 5 and 3 take away 7, which is 0 squared plus negative 4 squared plus negative 4 squared, which is 32. And so BC is 4 root 2. Now we also need the midpoint. The midpoint of B and C is going to be 1 plus 1 divided by 2, 1 plus 5 divided by 2, and 3 plus 7 divided by 2. So just averaging the x, y, and z coordinates in the usual way. And that gives us 1, 3, 5. This will be the height of the triangle. And we know because it's isosceles that this is just going to be a right angle here. And this is therefore the perpendicular height. So AM is going to be 2 take away 1 squared, 3 take away 3 squared, and 5 take away 5 squared, which is just 1. So the area is going to be the base, 4 root 2, times the height of 1, divided by 2, which gives us 2 root 2 square units.